Hello guys, this is Olushola David and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I've been able to generate over $2,000 promoting affiliate product on Partnerstack. Now, if you don't know, Partnerstack is like an affiliate network where you can actually create an account with them, then choose any affiliate product you want to promote. So I've been able to generate over $2,000 by promoting affiliate product using free organic traffic from Google. And I'm going to show you exactly how I've been able to do this. Okay, but before then, if this is your first time visiting the channel, please don't forget to like the video. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section. Then most especially subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can get more videos like this. All right, so without any further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so like I said, I'm going to show you how you can start making money by picking affiliate product on Partnerstack and start promoting it to make passive income. Alright, so before I show you how you can actually make money on this platform, let me quickly log into my affiliate dashboard and show you how much I've been able to make myself on this platform. Now, the reason I'm about to show you is just to let you know that the method I'm about to share with you is working and can make you serious passive income if you take it serious. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on login now to log into my affiliate dashboard, then show you how much I've been able to do with this platform. So I'm going to click sign in with my email address, and I'm going to choose my email address here. Alright, so as you can see, I just logged into my dashboard here. So I'm going to show you how much I've been able to generate on this platform. Alright, so as you can see, this is my name here, Olushola. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to come to rewards and withdrawal here. Alright, so as you can see, I have $20 available here, and if we come over here, you see that I've been able to make over $2,000. So I've been able to make $2,143 on Partnerstack by picking affiliate products and promoting them. All right, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you yourself can start picking product on this platform, then start promoting them using free organic traffic. All right, and at the end of the video, I'm going to add a link at the end of the video to a free training I did on affiliate marketing. All right, so if you're interested, just go to the end of the video, get the training for yourself and get started. All right, so the next thing we're going to do now is to create an account with Partnerstack, because if you don't have an account with them, there's no way you can start making money with them. All right, so what you want to do is you want to go to partnerstack.com. So when you go to their website, you're going to see something like this. All right, you're going to see our partner program. All right, so once you click on partner program, it's going to take you to the affiliate interface. So from here, you can now choose what you want to do. All right, so here they have solution partners, they have referral partners, and they have affiliate partners. So what you want to click here is the affiliate partners. All right, so click on affiliate partners. So once you click on the affiliate partners, it's going to bring out the form here. So this is the form you're going to fill before you can be able to start promoting products on the platform. All right, so you want to enter your first name here, you want to enter your last name, you want to enter your email address, then you want to enter your website or your LinkedIn link. All right, so if you don't have a website, the method I'm about to share with you is not going to work. All right, so you need to have a website or a simple blog before you be able to make money with this method. All right, so how are you looking to promote Partnerstack? All you simply need to do is I plan on promoting Partnerstack with content marketing. So you can just come here, then put content marketing here, content marketing. All right, so after that, you're going to click on next. So once you click on next, it's going to ask you to confirm your email address, and after you've confirmed your email address, you'll be able to log in to your affiliate dashboard. All right, so once you've done that, what you want to do is you want to come back here, then click on marketplace. Now the marketplace is where we're going to be picking affiliate products that we're going to be promoting. All right, so as you can see, so these are the list of affiliate products. So most of these products are actually software that you can promote and make money with. And the good thing is most of this software on this platform requires a subscription fee. And what I mean by subscription fee is that for the customer to keep using the software, they have to keep paying every month. And once you are able to successfully refer a customer to some of this software, so far they keep paying every month, you're going to keep getting your affiliate commission. All right, so this is one of the benefits of promoting software. All right, so what you want to do is you want to look at this software. All right, so another thing I usually do is I usually come here, then come to this category here, then click on it, then use the category section here to look for the kind of product you can promote. All right, so if you are in the marketing niche, all you simply need to do is just click on marketing here. All right, so once you click on marketing, it's going to bring out marketing related products that you can promote. And if it's human resources, all you simply need to do is just click on human resources here. Okay, and if it's sales, all you simply need to do just click on sales. All right, so what I usually do is most of the time I I check out all these just added product here. So when you click on just added product, it's going to bring out a list of products that are recently added to the platform. All right, so as you can see, we have INE here, we have Vendasta here, we have Comet Chat here, we have Authority here. So what I usually do is I copy the name of this product. Then I go over to Google, then do a quick search for the product. So I check for the review of those products. Okay, so I'm going to search for the review of this product. All right, so as you can see, so the first website that comes up is www.g2.com. all right, so this is not a blog. All right, so these are review aggregate websites. So if you scroll down again, you're going to see that the second website that comes up is review aggregate website. All right, so there's no blog that has written a content for this keyword. All right, so the next thing we're going to do now is you want to come back here. Okay, copy this keyword, then go over to your SEO tool. So if you don't have an SEO tool, I'll suggest you get one. So the one I'm using is SEMrush. All right, so I'm also going to add a link at the description of the video so you can get one for yourself. All right, so using SEMrush, you'll be able to find out affiliate keywords or product keywords that are doing well on the internet. So you'll be able to know the one that is highly competitive and the one that is less competitive and the one that is not getting any traffic at all. All right, so what you want to do is you want to log into your SEMrush account, and once you've logged into your SEMrush account, you want to come over here, then scroll down, then click on keyword overview. All right, so this is keyword overview. So what you want to do is you want to come here, then enter the keyword here. All right, so I'm going to paste the keyword here, so which is Comet Chat. All right, so I'm going to change this to United States. All right, so after that, I'm going to click on search. All right, so looking at the keyword insight here, so the result we got is that the total volume for this keyword in the US alone is 590 and the global volume is 6.2k. okay, so the keyword difficulty, now this is what we need. So the keyword difficulty for this keyword is 49%. So I think this is high, okay, because I know most of us are just getting started and our website is going to have little to no domain authority. All right, so what you want to do is you want to look for keyword that is extremely low. Okay, so anything from 30 downward is still okay for new website. The reason I want you to go for low keyword difficulty keyword is because you'll be able to rank higher for those keywords, and when you start ranking higher and people start seeing your blog content on Google search, when they start reading your content and clicking on your affiliate links, this is how you're going to be making money. All right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to go back to Partnerstack, then look for another keyword with low keyword difficulty rate. Okay, so what I want to do is we want to go back here. Okay, so the one we check now is comment start. So what I'm going to do is we're going to go down again. Okay, so this one here is Authority. Okay, so it says Authority is the first platform that helps content creator automatically track and manage all their articles, posts, videos, and podcasts in single place, no matter where and when they are published. All right, so it says get 30% commission on all payment for 24 months for every customer you refer. Okay, so let's check this out. Okay, so I'm going to copy this, then we are going to go back to SEMrush here. Okay, so we're going to check this again. All right, so I'm going to click on here, I'm going to paste it here, so we'll check the keyword again. Okay, so Authority, so I'm going to search for this. All right, so as you can see now, this is 34% and the volume for this is 1.3k. So the global volume for this is 216,000k. It's 216,000. So I think this is having a more higher volume than the previous one we did. Okay, so what you want to do now is, so we understand that this is having a low keyword difficulty compared to the first one we did. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to copy this keyword, then you want to go over to a website that is going to help you write a review content for this keyword. Okay, so the name of the website I usually use is IR Writer. Okay, so I'm going to add a link at the description of the video to this website. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to log in, and what I'm going to do from my dashboard is that I'm going to come over here, then order a new content. So as you can see, it says order content here. All right, so before you order the content, I want to walk you through how you can easily order content, that is, tell them how they are going to structure the content you want them to write. All right, I've drafted a product review outline for you that you can actually use. Okay, so let's assume the name of the product is product XY. So in your own case, if the product you want to write is Authority, so what you want to do is you want to change this with Authority. So it's going to be Authority review. Okay, so what you want to do is this is how you're going to draft the outline. So after the title, so the title is going to be the product review. Okay, so product XY review 2020. Okay, so after that, they're going to write the introduction for that product. Okay, so after the introduction, they're going to come up with another outline. So the outline is what is product XY. Okay, so your audience should know what the product is all about. So after that, they're going to list out the features of the product. So as you can see, features of product XY. So after that, who is product XY for? Who are the kind of people that can use the product? So as you can see here, I think we are able to know that the people that can, or the people that need this product are people that are writing articles, posts, videos. So it's basically for vloggers and bloggers. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to come back here. So who the product is for is basically for marketers. Okay, so you want the writer to write who the product is for here, and they should also write who the product is not for here. So after that, there's another outline that are going to come up with product XY pricing, that is the pricing for that product. After that, what you want them to do is to write pros and cons for that product. Then after that, product XY frequently asked question, which is FAQ. So after that, product XY review conclusion. Okay, so if you've drafted the outline for the product like this, so what you want to do is you want to copy everything like this. You want to copy everything like this. Then you want to go to the content website. Okay, so what you want to do when you get here is you want to come here, then click on other content. So like I said, I'm going to add a link at the description of the video to this website. So what you do is you click on other article here. So here is going to ask for project description, then here article category. So in my own case, since it's marketing, I'm going to look for business. I'm going to choose business and investing here. So after that, the article length. Okay, so the best article length should usually be around 2,000 words upward. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down, then choose 2,000 words to 3,000 words. Okay, so the deadline for this content, if you want them to write it within 2 days, you can actually choose that here or make it 3 days. Okay, so after that, the quantity of the content, then the keyword. So the keyword is going to be the name of the product. Okay, so Authority here. So this is what you want to enter here. So enter the keyword here. Enter the keyword here, Authority review. Okay, so this is the keyword. So you could also add comma, then put the actual name again. Okay, so required skill level for the person that is going to write this content. So if you want a beginner to write it, you can just choose it, but I usually don't go with beginner. The people I usually go with is expert writer and at times skilled writer. All right, so if it's skilled writer you want to use, if it's expert writer, or you simply need to use it, just choose expert writer here. All right, so the minimum amount I'm going to pay for this article is $60. Now the reason I'm paying $60 for this article is because of the settings here. So if I reduce this to 2,000 words, okay, then I come back here, then change the skill word, then change the expert writer to skill writer here. If we check again, we're going to see that the cost we are paying is $14 here. Okay, so this is $14. So after that, what you want to do is you want to come to special instruction here. So this special instruction is where you're going to paste the content outline. So this content outline, what you want to do is you want to come here, then paste it here. All right, so as you can see, so I've just pasted the content outline here. So after that, what you want to do is you want to write the project description. So the project description is going to be the title of the product. So it's going to be Authority review. Okay, so that's what you want to put here, Authority review. Okay, so once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is you want to come down here, then click on submit project. Okay, so once you click on submit project, they are going to write the content for you within 3 days. So once they've written the content for you and you've gotten the content, what you want to do is you want to paste or you want to publish the content on your website, then add your affiliate link to the content. Okay, so in your own case, what you would do is just click on join affiliate program here, then click on accept terms and conditions. So it's going to redirect you to your Partnerstack account where you can actually copy your affiliate link. but most time they will review it before they approve your request. All right, so if I want to promote this product, all I simply need to do is just click on continue here. So if I click on continue, it's going to redirect me to where I can actually get my affiliate link. Okay, so I'm going to copy my affiliate link, then add it in the content we've just ordered on IR Writer here. So alternatively, if you don't want to IR Writer, there's another software you can actually use. The name of this software is Jasper AI. All right, so this software helps you generate content automatically. So I did a video on how to use Jasper to create content for yourself, so I'm going to add a link to the video somewhere around there. So when your content starts ranking on Google search engine and people were able to see your content, then read on your content, and we are clicking on the affiliate link. So for everybody that is buying through your affiliate link, you're going to be making your affiliate commission. All right, so this is basically how I've been able to make money on Partnerstack. So basically what I'm doing is looking for keywords that are less competitive, then create content for those keywords. Now the reason for this is because Google is going to allow me to rank easily for those keywords because they are less competitive. All right, so this is basically how you can go about it. So like I said earlier, I'm going to add a link at the description of the video to a free guide, a free training I have on affiliate marketing. So if you're interested, just go to the description of the video, get the training for yourself and get started. All right, so if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can get more videos like this. All right, so thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.